Greetings from Edu aspirants. In the series of our videos for class 10 boards revision question answers, in the series on science, let us see what we have for you in biology video 2. This video will cover the chapter control and coordination. Let us see question 1. In reflex action, the reflex arc is formed by A. Brain spinal cord muscles, B. Receptor spinal cord muscles, C. Muscles receptor brain, or D. Muscles spinal cord receptor. Let us see the answer. Answer is B. Receptor spinal cord and muscles. Reflex arc is the shortest pathway for an impulse to travel. Stimulation is received by a sensory receptor which passes along its message via a sensory neuron. Messages carried by sensory neurons are translated in the integration center and the subsequent message is carried by a motor neuron. Finally, this message reaches a muscle or organ that can respond accordingly. Hope you have understood. 2. The cerebellum is concerned with A. Coordination and maintains posture, B. Perception, C. Vision, D. Memory. Answer A. The cerebellum is a region of the hindbrain which is involved in the coordination of voluntary motor movement, balance and equilibrium, and muscle tone. 3. Growth hormone is produced in thyroid, adrenal, gonads, or pituitary. Mark your choice. Let us see the correct answer. Answer is D. Pituitary. Pituitary gland releases growth hormone which helps in growth of essential tissues including bones. Excessive secretion of the growth hormone leads to gigantism and makes a person look like a giant, whereas lower secretion of GH leads to dwarfism. Next, brain and spinal cord comprise peripheral nervous system, sympathetic nervous system, central nervous system, or parasympathetic nervous system. Let us see the answer. Answer is C, central nervous system. CNS, the central nervous system, consists of brain and spinal cord. The sensory information can be received by the CNS and sent to the effector organ. The other part is the peripheral nervous system, which consists of nerves that connect the brain and spinal cord to the rest of the body. So that is an extra for the answer. 5. Glucose level of blood is regulated by thyroxine and calcium, insulin and calcium, insulin and glucagon, or glucagon and thyroxine. Let us see the answer. Answer is C, insulin and glucagon. Both the hormones are secreted by pancreas. Glucagon increases blood sugar levels, whereas insulin decreases blood sugar levels. 6. Which plant hormone promotes dormancy in seeds and buds? A. Gibberellin, auxin, cytokinin, or abscisic acid. Answer is D. Abscisic acid. ABA promotes seed and bud dormancy by inhibiting growth. It is one of the most important plant growth regulators. ABA also plays an important role in the closure of stomata in plants under water stress, and its presence inhibits opening. 7. Deficiency of which element causes goiter? Iron, sodium, iodine, or none of these, or if there is something else. Answer is C, iodine. And the most common cause of goiter or swelling of thyroid gland is an iodine deficiency in the diet. The body needs iodine to produce thyroid hormone. When there isn't enough iodine, the thyroid gland enlarges to try to capture more iodine. 8. Thyroid gland secretes thyroxine in the digestive system. heart, bloodstream, or none of these? Let us see the answer. Answer is C, in the bloodstream. Endocrine glands are ductless glands that release hormones directly into the bloodstream. The hormones produced by these glands travel through the blood to other parts of the body. 9. The shoot system of plant demonstrates dash type of tropism: phototropism, positive chemotropism, negative geotropism, or hydrotropism. Answer is C, negative geotropism. Negative geotropism is the upward growth of plants against the force of gravity. It occurs in the shoots of plants, which includes the stem. 10. The non-directional movement of plant in response to touch of an object is called photonasty, thigmonasty, gravitropism, or thigmotropism. Answer is B, thigmonasty. Thigmonasty, also called seismonasty, is a non-directional movement of plants in response to the stimulus of touch, whereas thigmotropism is a directional movement of plants in response to the stimulus of touch. The largest part of brain is cerebellum, midbrain, cerebrum, or medulla. The answer is C. It is the cerebrum. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It is located in the front of the brain and extends from the top of the head down to ear level. Cerebrum initiates and coordinates movement and regulates temperature. Other areas of the cerebrum enable speech, judgment, thinking and reasoning, problem solving, emotions and learning. Other functions relate to vision, hearing, touch and other senses. Which of the following statements is correct about receptors? Gustatory receptors detect taste while olfactory receptors detect smell. Both gustatory and olfactory receptors detect smell. Auditory receptors detect smell and olfactory receptors detect taste. Olfactory receptors detect taste and gustatory receptors detect smell. Let us see the answer. It is A. Gustatory receptors are sensory receptors that allow animals to taste. They are located in the taste buds on the tongue and other parts of the mouth. Olfactory receptors are special cells in the nose that detect odor molecules. This brings us to the end of this video on biology, control and coordination. Keep revising. Best of luck. Please subscribe, like, share and do press the bell icon for update on the next chapter for biology and other chapters for physics and chemistry for science as well. See you with the next video soon.